What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a pro gaming headset by Ziumier. Now, you can find these on Amazon for $29.99. Link will be in the description below. Now, before we actually jump into the unboxing, I want to say a huge shout out to Ziumier for providing these headsets for review. Thank you, Ziumier. Quick look at the actual box itself. Now, we have a all black box with yellow trims that goes all the way around, all over the box, which I think is pretty nice. Black and yellow is a pretty cool combination. Of course, we have the logo, which seems to be a cat of some sort. I'm going to go ahead and say it's a tiger. I could be wrong. Comment down below. And of course, a picture of what the headphones will look like. Now, if this is a blue, like it shows here, I'm going to be very happy, as blue is my favorite color. On this side, we have some control options right here. Seems we have volume up and down, along with your microphone switch, so you can mute and unmute yourself. Various languages. On this side, we have the colorful Marquee Pro Gaming Headset Advantage. Should be advantages. We have 5 advantages here. You guys can go ahead and read those. And that's pretty much the box. Simple, but well done. Let's jump in. Alrighty, so here we go. So just so you know, there are no seals on these. When you take it out of your shipping box, there's no tape around this. It's a pretty simple unboxing. You don't need any type of knife. Just go ahead and flip the top over, and your headphones are right there. Sweet. Alright, let's dump everything out. Drop this in the back for some background stuff. Alright, so we have here a splitter. There we go. So now if your PC has a separate mic input and headphone input, then you can go ahead and use a splitter to solve that problem. Of course, we have a little, I guess, I'm going to just call this cord holder. Of course, you have the manual right here. Let's take a quick browse through it. You have English in the front, just a little bit of labeling. All right, sweet. Tips for use. USB connection only for lighting up the lighting on the headphones. That's good to know. And please do not forget to turn on the mic. Good tip. And you guys can go ahead and read the rest. Pretty cool. Make sure to check out your manual. Alright, now it seems to be packaged here in this little foam looking thing, which it's pretty popular in packaging. You guys know what that is. And these are the headphones. Now, first thing, it's blue. I love blue. Great color. Secondly, these are massive. Look at the size of these muffs right here. Alright, they're pretty soft, which should help you with wearing these for a long period of times. It should not be uncomfortable. These are really soft. I'm liking these. All right, I like the blue theme that's going on. Let's take a closer look at, everything on the headphone. We have this side right here. There we go. We have the Z30 gaming headset. So that's the model of it. This is the left side. Looks like we have some adjusters right here. There we go. That's as far as you can adjust. Seems to be a little over an inch. So you get an inch right there. And I'm guessing, yep, you got an inch on this side. We have the right side right here. Nice design going through. Now this is all plastic. Nice soft foam at the top as well. Got the blue trims running along the headphones right here. Nice looking. Nice touch. Then we have the mic, which pulls down to about a little over 90 degrees, depending on how you're wearing these. Nice looking. It's pretty cool looking. All right, and here's the braided cord that they're talking about. It's a pretty thick cord. Nice. We have a lot of it, so this should be long enough to, stretch across wherever you're going to be gaming. Here is the USB that they specify is only for lighting up the headphones. Of course, we have the controls right here. So it does come mute by default. So actually, no, this one's actually unmuted. But you can toggle the switch. It's not the most premium click, but it is a budget headphone. So as long as it works, that's great. Of course, we have your volume controls. It is a pretty cool slider switch. I'm sure that's not what you call it, but I do like that. It's pretty satisfying. And of course, we have the main jack, which is the 3.5mm jack, which does support the mic and the headphones. Now I went ahead and grabbed my laptop as I'm really excited to see what the light looks like. So go ahead, grab your USB cord, we're going to plug it into the computer, and voila, we have lighting. Let's take a closer look at it. Now, if you haven't already noticed, it is pulsing and changing, going through all the colors of the rainbow. We have green, yellow, blue, and just pretty much every color you would normally see in a rainbow. We also have the logo here, which is also light up and also pulsing and changing through the colors of the rainbow. This is a great look. I love it. It just adds just a whole new excitement to these headphones right here. And on this side, it's exactly the same, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I am sure that these are in sync and changing together. It seems to be. If you guys have these, comment down below if these are in sync. And lastly, we have the mic, which also has a light on there. However, it's just one light and is a blue light, which I'm happy because it is matching the theme of the headphone. So great work on the lighting. Let's test out the sound. To test the sound quality of the headset, I'm going to be using my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Now, before I jump into testing the sound quality, quick tip: if you're gaming on your smartphone and you would like to have the light effect while you're gaming on your smartphone, you simply need a USB-A adapter. Now, in my case, the S8 has a Type-C, so I have here a Type-C to USB-A. You simply go ahead, plug in your USB-A, then you plug it into your smartphone, and just like that, you have the light effect, just as you would if you're gaming on your PC. Now, obviously, if you're going to be using an iPhone, you're going to need a Lightning to USB-A. To test the sound quality, I went ahead and just searched some non-copyright music here on YouTube. And let's test them out. So the volume is all the way up on the phone. I went ahead and turned the volume controls all the way down. And we're pretty much going to gradually go into how loud they are. So we're going to hit play. There we go. And we're gradually going to turn these up and see how loud they are. Okay, I'm beginning to hear them. That's about less than a quarter, actually. Okay. We're going there. Wow, it's not even at maximum volume, and you can hear them really clearly. Okay, there we go. We're at maximum volume, and they sound like miniature, just little Bluetooth speakers. Those little tiny ones, they pretty much sound like little speakers. Wow, they're pretty loud. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, see how they feel, how they sound. Had to turn it down a little bit, don't want to go deaf. So quick note, the mic is on the left side. So this is the left side. Alrighty, first impressions. They completely cover my ears. So my ears is completely in the headset. And for 30 bucks, they actually have noise cancelling. You have some really good noise cancelling in these headset. So I'm going to go all the way up to maximum volume. Oh yeah. So I'm currently at maximum volume and I can't hear myself speaking to you. These are really loud, really clear, great bass, great treble, mids and highs are there. And once again, I can't hear myself speaking to you out there. I am completely just immersed in these headphones right now. Wow. And they're really comfortable. The sponges on them are really soft and nice. I can definitely see myself using these for maybe an hour or two back to back without any discomfort. Wow. They're really nice. Oh yeah, these are really nice. For 30 bucks, you can't go wrong with these headphones. And I'm thinking, if anyone out there buy these for 30 bucks, unless you have really expensive headphones, you're gonna be happy with these. You're gonna be really happy with these. They're gonna make a great gift, not only for gaming. If you just want to make these just your music headset, as long as you don't mind taking, you know, all these wires with you, because it is a pretty long cable, and of course you have this chunky volume control. If you don't mind taking that around with you, these make some great music headset. Great music headset. I think Zuimier did a really good job here. Definitely, you know, I would probably consider buying this as a gift for someone. Just an all-around great headset. And with that, that's pretty much where I'm going to end the video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you have anything to say about these headphones, drop it down in the comment below. And of course, if there's any product out there that you guys would like me to feature on any upcoming videos, drop the recommendation down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. That's just crazy. These are just fabulous.